Hello, everyone, and welcome to the top 3 things you need to know about the July 2024 rate case. My name is Adam Kester, Senior Product Manager here at BCC Software. Let's get into it. First thing that you need to know about here are the normal rate case things. We've got our market dominant rates approved. We're waiting for the competitive prices to be approved here on this June 25th. We're expecting those later this week. We have impacts across the board for that price change, except in USPS Ground Advantage and Priority Mail. We've got updates to the postage statements across the board as well. We've got new July versions for each of those for the changes that are coming. We've got a new mail.dat errata, though we still have the 23-1 and 24-1, and a new versions of mail.xml to support this rate case. And then the BCC software releases are either already available or will be available very soon to support these changes and keep you up to date. Depending on your preferred software, you should only use the new version for the mailings with the mailing date after July 14th. That's the day the rate case goes into effect. And you can start submitting those mailings to Postal One after June 30th when you've downloaded the new MDR client. Some of the software may take care of the version transition for you, but you should check your release notes for more details about how to manage that transition. For number 2 here, we've got a new incentive. That's the catalog incentive that's coming for bound print and matter and marketing mail pieces. Previously, the definition of catalog applied to only flats, and that meant that if you were shipping catalogs before, you can likely be eligible for the new incentive. The USPS wants to gather data on their catalog traffic in the network and is therefore offering a 1/10 of a cent incentive, which amounts to $1 per 1,000 pieces that are classified as catalogs. There's no pre-qualification to this process to get the incentive, but if you do claim it, make sure that you keep pieces on hand for 6 months, as the post office may be doing random audits that would be used to confirm your eligibility. Additionally, the definition of the catalog has expanded from a bound flat size mail piece with at least 16 pages that provides the opportunity for sale to include bound letter shaped, bound flat shaped, or parcel shaped mail pieces. And they have now gone from 16 pages at a minimum to 12 pages long as a minimum. So make sure you're looking for that incentive. And the last thing that you should be aware of if you're doing election mail today is that election mail has been split for tracking purposes into a ballot piece and a non-ballot piece. If you haven't been paying attention to the news, surprise, it's an election year. The USPS is looking to track these things a bit more closely as we get into the election season. And the changes that we got in January to these election mail service type identifiers, that's STIDs, have also split in the state postage statements and the mail.dat and mail.xml eDoc submissions. Reminder for those of you doing these things, or at least interested in doing them, that the ballot mail is a subset of election mail, and it's only used to track actual election ballots and should only use the election mail STIDs. For other election mail, that's sample ballots, voter registration, polling place locations, absentee applications, or polling place notifications. Those should continue to use the non-election mail STIDs that would be used for other first class and marketing mail pieces. And those are the top 3 things that you should be knowing or should be aware of for this coming rate case. If you have questions and need additional information, please check out our other resources for this rate case or reach out to us at our support department if you have questions about your current software, or our sales department if you're looking for something new. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.